Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Drell here coming at you with another video today. And in this video, I'm going to update you guys on my Clickbank journey, show you guys what I've been doing for the past week or so. And if you've been following this journey for a minute, man, comment down below, yo, so I know who my real ones are. And you never know, I might do a course giveaway in the future. Let me stop, bro. But speaking of the course, I just want to give a shout out to all the students that have been seeing success so far. It's only been 2 days. They've seen results in 2 days, man. So if you want to go ahead and join the course, it's discounted for $77 right now. He made $43 in just 2 days. 2 days, man. That's crazy. I'm gonna show you someone else. He's seeing results 329. It's crazy to me. Where's the other one? This is the same guy. This was his first results. Where's the other guy? Here you go. So he's been saying he's tried Clickbank for 4 months straight, and after 2 days of taking my course, he's already seeing results. That's insane. $33, man. And that's just the beginning, man. It might not be much, but they're just getting started. So they're gonna be making way more down the line. But if you want to join the course, the link is in the description below. It's discounted right now, so get in while you still can. But let's get right back to the Clickbank journey. I'm gonna log into my account and show you guys what I've been up to. Alright, so as you can see, we left it off at Saturday on the last video, I believe. So we're gonna just start it off at Saturday. Saturday I made 783. Sunday I made 512. Monday I made 102. Tuesday I made 43. Wednesday I made 244. Thursday I made 136. Friday I made 179. And then yesterday I made 418. And we're not gonna count Sunday. The next video we're gonna pick it off at Sunday, right? So that brings us a total of, I didn't add the total up yet, but we're gonna do that right now. So let me get off of this. Alright, so Saturday 783 plus 512. I'm not gonna count the cents. I don't feel like doing all that. 102, 43, 244, 136, 179, and then 418. Alright, boom. So that brings us a total of $2,417 in 1 week. Now keep in mind that I just released my course. I've been focusing on my course this week. So this is mostly passive income coming in from what I've done in the past with Clickbank. So let's actually add this 2417. It's gonna be a little more than that because I didn't add the cents, but 2417 from basically passive income because I've been working on my course. I've been helping my students with the course, replying to the Facebook group comments and all of that. So I really haven't had time to focus on Clickbank. And the profit margin is about 85% of that. I did spend a little bit on ads, not much on ads this week, to be honest with you. And like I said, most of that came passive income from my previous efforts. Now I'm gonna get into the methods I use. And so I posted 3 IG posts on my Instagram account right here. It might be 2. This one I posted on the 26th. I'm not sure if that's in the week, but I haven't had time to post on Instagram either. This was 4 days ago, and then I posted one yesterday. Yeah, 16 hours ago. So I posted 3 Instagram posts. As you can see, my Instagram gets a lot of likes and engagement though. So this was from over a year of putting in work on this Instagram account, and my free numerology readings is right here. If they click that button, they get taken to the numerology readings. So that's my Instagram account. I actually changed that link. I don't know why it's still showing up like that. Yeah, here it goes. So I actually changed it out to my ClickFunnels landing pages so I can start collecting leads. But YouTube, I posted 2 videos. So let's go to my YouTube. So for the past 7 days, I had 152 views, 4 subscribers. I haven't had time to post videos as well, but as you can see, last 48 hours, 60 views, and all that good stuff. But If I was able to post more videos on YouTube, this would go up as well. I just haven't had time. I only was able to post 2 videos, and that was in the last 2 days. So that's with YouTube. Facebook groups, you already know the deal with Facebook groups. I covered that in the course as well. Paid traffic, I cover paid traffic in the course as well. ManyChat and email list broadcast. So that's the reason why you want to build email lists and actually ManyChat as well. Because ManyChat, you get way higher open rates. I covered that in the course as well, though. And an email list broadcast. So that's why I actually went ahead and switched my link out right here so I can start collecting their emails and send them emails so I can make more money in the back end. So that's just my update on my Clickbank journey. I'm gonna refresh the page so you know everything is legit, so you know I'm not faking anything. I'll do it one more time. So there you go, man. That's the update on my Clickbank journey, man. Comment down below, yo, so I know who my real ones are. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm out, bruh.